Hi, and welcome to a new guided meditation. I think this will be the last one for this year, so thank you for joining me. Today's topic will be something that I read, something that I need really badly, which is rest. As you can probably see, I am really tired and I need some rest from the daily activities and from this activity as well. It's nice and I wish it were a bit more interactive in the future, but for now I need to take a break. So as always, today's guided meditation will be based on crochet, so pick up a project and let's get to it. I will probably be making really long pauses today because I'm that tired. I have no idea why, but please bear with me. Okay, let's talk a bit about rest. We all need rest, right? We all get tired, we all do too much at some point and need to stop. But sometimes we don't know how to do it. And we think we need to do something more. We need to do one more thing, this other thing. And maybe we do, but maybe we need to just take a break and give ourselves some space to just be, just relax, just rest. I know that crochet can be a very entertaining activity. It can also be a way to give yourself a break. We can use crochet as a means to take a break mentally, but sometimes we also need to take a break from crochet. I know it sounds crazy, but yeah. We have to sometimes take a break so that we can return to something with love and joy and longing. And I also believe this is true with relationships. Sometimes we need to make some distance between ourselves and our loved ones so that when we return to them, we appreciate them even more. And this cannot be truer than in this year, when we were forced to take a break from a lot of our families and a lot of our friends whom we maybe saw once this year, if we were lucky, so that the next time we see them, we should be able to appreciate their presence more in our lives. I'm sorry, I'm way too tired to be doing this. So sometimes for our own sake, we need to take a break and rest even from working on our hobbies. I don't know if you have celebrated Thanksgiving, if you celebrate something like that, if you even have that in your culture, because we come here from all around the world. But if you did, then you're probably even more exhausted than I am. And I invite you to take an hour or two just for yourself and just do nothing. Today or tomorrow, just take an hour and just relax. Your hands don't have to do anything unless they really need to. Your mind doesn't have to do anything. Just give yourself a break from everything. And I will do that as well. So for the next month, I think I will not be doing very much and just taking time to recover brain power and to get back to work with energy and joy and love. So next year I will start this series again, and we will talk about a lot of topics that I didn't get a chance to touch upon. And today I will just guide you through a little flow meditation so that we can continue working, or we can stop after this meditation. You do what you want, of course, and enjoy life. So I hope that by now you have picked up your crochet project and you will join me in this little flow. We begin with a very, very deep breath. And an exhale. And we continue with a few deep breaths. Now you pick up your project if you haven't done it already, and try to sit up or sit in a relaxed position where your whole body is involved in this, but not in a tense state. So find any tense spots and try to loosen them up. Try to find a comfortable position that is also healthy for your spine, so not slouching on the side. If it's good for you, then yeah, you can slouch, but most of the people will not get any benefit from slouching. So try to work out the kinks by doing a tiny dance with your body. Feel your hands and your neck, all the way down to your feet. Continue breathing deeply and turn your attention to your project. Hopefully it's an easy to work project that you don't need to concentrate too much on it. And just follow your hands doing the motions. Just look at the hands. You don't need to think about anything. If there are things coming up, distractions, just acknowledge them. Take a deep breath and let them go. Think about the things that are making you tired in your life right now and what you could do to take a break from them. If you have too many things to do in the house or at work, can you talk to someone to relieve some of your burden? Do you need to do everything that you're doing? Take them one at a time as they come. The thing that bothers you the most, that's the one you need to become aware of first and to find a solution. But you don't need to do it actively right now. Just give your mind some space to work it out. It can do so in the background while you're enjoying the beautiful crochet project that you're working on. And just continue doing this for the time that you set out for your project now, for your crochet. And then take a break. After you're satisfied with the period of time that you set for crochet, if you have a period of time, if not, just decide now you're going to do this for, I don't know, half an hour or 1 hour. And then just take a break and Give yourself space to just be without having to work on anything. Enjoy life. Take a walk. If you can, go outside. If you're allowed to go outside, just go outside. Listen to the creatures around you and let the mind rest. If you're too tired, of course, just take a break. I hope you're alright, and I hope you'll have beautiful holidays. I will see you again in these live sessions in January. So I will be taking a break for the next few weeks because there are many things happening, and I know we're all going to be busy. Not just me, but okay, next week we have elections, so I will be busy with that. But in general, I know there are many things happening in December. So if you want to know what I'll be up to, I will be updating the blog and sending out emails mostly. I don't know how much activity I will have here on Instagram because not many people see what I post here. That's live. Well, no, that's social media. So, yeah, if you need ideas for small projects, I have a new pattern on my website for a small fidget toy for anyone who fidgets in your life. It's a stocking stuffer. It's part of a blog hub that I'm participating in, and you will have all the information on my blog. You can read more there. So I'm wishing you happy holidays from now, all the holidays that are coming, and I will see you soon again. Thank you so much for being here. Bye.